Yeah, it's obviously disappointing at the moment. We're all emotional, and you know, it hurts to lose like that. And no, just because there was a lot of fight, like you said, you know, and one or two things that, you know, you can't fault the players for not putting in a lot of effort, and then I feel just sorry that the fees doesn't want to turn for us, you know, like even when we win a high ball, the ball will be kicked into their hands, and you know, and obviously there's a lot of you know, funny little things when that happen during the game. The bounce of the ball seems, you know, like every little kick feels like it doesn't come your way, and small, even 50-50 calls from the officials and everything. So yeah, it's just a tough place at the moment. You know, like you really wanted the players to put their hands up, and they did, and then suddenly things go your way. And it wasn't as much, I think, pressure. There was a lot of mistakes, not the most fluent game, and it boiled down to one or two big decisions. And credit to the Stormers, you know, they finished that last ball. I wanted the boys to go contest. We could have easily stayed on the floor and tried to defend them all, but then I wanted them to contest, and they did went up, and it was millimeters that Ruan missed the ball. So yeah, so hopefully soon it will turn for us.
Johan, you spoke about how painful the loss is, and obviously you touched on the mistakes and stuff. But the game itself, does that give you confidence looking towards Europe that there's something developing in this team?
Yeah, definitely. You know, if you think how we, you know, the game is definitely not all around one player. I don't believe that, you know, a player must always have, you know, individuals can maybe have a brilliant moment, but it's up to everybody in the team to perform. But it was a bit of a loss to lose Kainan, for example, you know, because he is that one player that can make something out of nothing. And if you take that aside, and the whole 80 minutes, you know, I've seen, you know, we were good so much of the game, and we had a lot of fight and a lot of good opportunities, especially if you look even this last kickoff, when Sebastian won that ball. On any given day, if Reinhard passes that ball, we scored a try maybe in the left-hand corner. So that's a lesson for the 23-year-old to learn, you know. So there's a lot of positives, you know, that we can take out of the game. So we can just stay, you know, working and believing. I know the people outside will start doubting us, and that's fine. And you know, I can't change anything other than believing in the team. And now we're going to go full out for it. Strong as possible next two games. We lose, and we know we're out that one. If we win it, we're in it.
Johan, sorry, last one. You also spoke about the team, the fight and that, but it's the first time this season this specific block of players have been together. How close are they to just gelling? Do you think it's just going to come natural, or are you going to need a game or two still?
No, hopefully a game like tonight it's already a big positive on that track. You know, like I said, this week was the first week that I had every contracted player in the same room since we started. You know, not everybody fit. Like, you know, obviously there's a few players still injured, but everybody in the room. And you know, you showed Kainan came off his 3-week rest, and he performed well until he got injured. And Ruan Morkia played 80 minutes. Marco played well. For guys who hasn't played for 3 weeks, you know, didn't even train with us until Monday. So hopefully this is the start of getting that unity back and that gel back. And that's why I said now we need to use the next 2 games to get everybody on the right track together, you know, and hopefully that will take us into the URC on a bit more positive note. So this next block is part of this journey of getting everybody on the same page and start rolling, hopefully, and turn our season around. But we know it's not going to be easy. Every team out there is good. We saw the Lions again, the result, and every team is strong. But we personally just going to now start getting this group together and play them together as much as we can until the next break.